Question is given square root of 50 times 51 times 52 times 53 plus 1 is equal to what? So we have to find out the value of this term. How we can find out the value of this term? Let's see solution. Square root of 50 times 51 times 52 times 53 plus 1. This is in increasing order plus 1, right? Is equal to, now this is 50, 51, 52, so we can consider if one number like this 50 is considered, if we are considering this a, so if 50 is equal to a, so 51 is equal to a plus 1, 52 is equal to a plus 2, and 53 is equal to a plus 3, right? So we can substitute this value here. Now is equal to, we can write this one, a times a plus 1 times a plus 2 times a plus 3 plus 1, right? Now is equal to, we can here doing some arrangement, so a times, we can write this a plus 3, and after that a plus 1 times a plus 2 plus 1. Now is equal to a times a plus 3, so a times a plus 3, so we are here we are doing here multiplication, so a times a, that is a square plus 3a. Next one is a times a plus 1, a times, you can say here a times a plus 2 plus 1 times a plus 2 plus 1 is equal to a square plus 3a times a, that is a square plus 2a plus a plus 2 plus 1, right? Now is equal to a square plus 3a, first term, that is a square plus 3a times a square plus 2a plus a, that is 3a plus 2 plus 1. Now you can see here a square plus 3a, a square plus 3a, this is common term, so we can consider if any variable here like m, so it will become, or you can say here a square plus 3a, a square plus 3a is equal to m, so we can write this is equal to m times m plus 2, m times m plus 2 plus 1, right? This will become like this way. So here is equal to, we can write m times m, that is m square, plus 2 times m, that is 2m plus 1. You can see here this is square root of m square plus 2m plus 1. Now if this is m, that is a, if a is equal to m and b is equal to 1, so it will become m plus 1 whole square formula, m square plus 2ab, 2 times a, that is m, times b, that is 1, so 2ab plus b square, b is 1, right? So it will become a plus b whole square formula, a is m and b is 1, so we can write this m plus 1 whole square, m square plus 2ab, 2 times a times b, 2m plus b square 1, right? So is equal to, now we can cancel this one because this is square and here square root, so square is cancelled from square root, so it will become cancelled from here, so we get here mod of m plus 1, right? Now but we know that m is equal to, we already considered that a square plus 3a, so we can write here value of m, that is equal to a square plus 3a plus 1, right? Now a square plus 3a plus 1, again we know that, but a is equal to 50, so we are substituting this value of a here in this form. So it will become 50 square plus 3 times 50 plus 1 is equal to, now 50 square, so 5 5s are 25, 2500 plus 5 3s are 15, so 150 plus 1, right? Now is equal to, when we are adding this term, so here 1 and here 5, so it will become 5, next one is 6, so it will become 6 here, and finally 2. So 2651, mod of 2651, but you can say this is positive number, so we can say value of or you can say but mod of 2651, this is positive number, right? This is positive number. So we can say value of square root of 50 times 51 times 52 times 53 plus 1 is equal to 2651, and this is the correct solution. Thank you.